I mean, it's really lovely. Everyone's really welcoming. In terms of hospitality, the food is really lovely as well. They've also got a banqueting suite downstairs, which you can hire for anyone.
Lovely.
But yeah, it's lovely. It's really like family orientated as well. So.
Chicken drumsticks.
Chicken drumsticks,
Chicken
there's
tikka,
tandoori,
chicken reshmi kebab. We've
Yeah.
got some other chana chaat here. Yeah, please.
It's just seeing how the food's been cooked. It's also lovely, mashallah, how fresh it is made. It's amazing to be here.
And how are you finding the today's event? Influencers Night in Dilpasan.
It's amazing, honestly. I'm so
Yeah.
pleased, mashallah. Fifth anniversary, amazing achievement. So happy.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
It was really delicious. It was a really nice. I tried today nihari. I'm coming all the way from South Hall to eat nihari here, and the staff and service and the taste was very good. And I think he only served the fresh food all the time. So it was a really good experience and opportunity. You know the taste here. When I'm coming here, I always enjoy that delicious food always here. And the last time I tried the paya and the mutton kunna and the bihari boti and the lacha paratha, that all are very good. So every week I'm coming to try the different. Today I try the nihari.
Well, I would like to say thank you to Allah and thank you to my friends and my team and my loyal customer to enable us to successfully complete our 5 year of business in this beautiful area of Whitechapel. And we are situated at Commercial Road, Whitechapel. And Alhamdulillah, the community is very good and the customers are very, very good and loyal to us. So I'm very deeply thankful from the bottom of my heart of my all customers and all friends and family and all my team. And I would like to say special thank you to my GM, Mr. Farhan, and my partner, Mr. Fahd Bhai, and then my head chef, Mr. Akram here. He's sitting right left